give it a shot. Let's give it everything in the world. Take it first. It's a hard ass.
Okay.
The clutch is nice and soft.
How's that brake?
Good, pretty solid.
Yeah. Just went on at 205.
All right, so we are ready. Nothing behind us.
Nope.
We ready to do this?
Mm-hmm.
Holy shit.
Working.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Watch the car.
Yeah, we got it. We're good. Oh my god.
That was the scary moment. Is like, is the clutch gonna work?
Guacamole. I'm so excited.
So
and I'm so worried I'm gonna stall the shit.
Just give it plenty of gas. I wouldn't crank that hard over. Puts too much pressure on that pump. She rides great. How are your brakes?
They work?
They feel solid.
Oh, I never thought. I mean, I had a feeling this would come, but you know,
yeah, it's so
you never know. There's so much like what if. Oh my god, so much fun.
That's 50. That's wild with outdoors.
You want to drive?
Yeah.
Okay. Neutral there.
We'll adjust that. It looks like a little bit, but if I put my fat ass in here. Really good sensitive clutch. Great action on that too. Now I know why people love it.
I'm sorry I have such a big grin on my face.
No,
I can't believe it.